Shortly after Apple got rid of their audio jack for headsets, Android phones followed suit. The main reason, of course, to be able to build slimmer, water-resistant phones. But what about those of us that still like using our existing headphones? Well, fortunately, the USB-C charge port on Androids and now on iPhones 12 and up provides audio pass-through. What this means is presumably with the right adapter, you can plug in any wired microphone or headset of your liking. I get that this is old news for many of us, but I've learned recently that for a lot of people this isn't common knowledge, so that's why I'm bringing this video to you today. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the audio on my Google Pixel 4 XL just right from the phone itself, and then I'm going to plug in with an adapter my AT2020 microphone to show you the difference that can make if you're just getting into creating YouTube videos, for example, and you're using your cell phone to record videos. This little adapter could be a nice little upgrade for some existing microphones that you might have around the house, and I'll have a link in the description below for you guys where you can purchase this adapter for super cheap. One of the most important things when you're creating YouTube videos is to have really crisp audio quality, and having an adapter that you can plug into your cell phone when you're first starting out is a great way to upgrade your audio quality. Now this clip is without any external microphone, just whatever is built into the cell phone. And this clip is recorded with the AT2020 USB microphone plugged in through the adapter that you saw earlier. There is a setting you want to make sure that is on, which is external mic on. I will show you in a screenshot here on how to do that. I'll have a link in the description to a wide array of adapters that you can use for microphones and headsets, both for Android and also for iPhone. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like these short, to the point, bite-sized videos where I review things I buy, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.